This is an unboxing video of the CDT-3650-C's in-ceiling speakers.
Upside down. Your packaging. Your magnetic grille.
6.5 inch in-ceiling. We're using these for surround and surround rear. Yeah, nice magnetic grille. These are the older versions. They're an 8-year-old model, but still available. The new models are now out.
Aimable woofer and tweeter.
Yep. Still a great speaker. The new models do have larger magnets on the back for information. You can view some of our other videos on the unboxing of those as well as the installation.
Template. And
Alright, that's the unboxing of these speakers. For purchasing or installation, make sure you guys give us a call. We do ship nationwide, as well as do installations here in the Dallas area. Thank you for watching. This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Have a good one. Alright, this is Grayson installing the Klipsch CDT-3650-C in-ceiling aimable speaker. Right now he's just taking the plate off that was pre-wired from the builder. Wiring's inside of there, so we're going to cut the hole bigger. Got to make sure you check which side of the stud the box is on so you cut in the correct direction. You can see we've already put in the rear left and right.
can you hand me that template?
As well as the surround left. Klipsch provides this nice cutout template. So we're going to trace out on the ceiling where it's going to go. One little tip is, if you look, see how the homeowner didn't take the plates off whenever the room was painted? We highly recommend that you take the plates off, because in certain situations, if we can't get that speaker close enough to the stud, or the bezel isn't big enough, it won't cover the hole where the plate, or I guess the old room cut, where you can see on this particular speaker, the edge is just sticking out a little bit, so it'll require touch up. Whereas if you take that plate off and paint underneath it, you don't have to worry about that. You can see these other ones went in well, except for this rear one. Take your drywall saw and cut out the hole after you trace out that template, and then you gotta pop out that box, which is nailed into the stud, just like that. Step back so the stuff that falls out of the ceiling, all the insulation and debris, goes onto the mat, which we'll clean up later and not all over the customer's floor. You kind of leave the drywall in there. It keeps most of the insulation up in the ceiling, so you don't have a huge pile to clean up, and it keeps the home well insulated. Next, we're just going to strip back the wiring. This is just 16-2 speaker wire. In-wall rated, pre-wired when the home was built. Then we're going to take the speaker. Insert the speaker wires into the push terminals. Just like that. Make sure all of your strands are in there. You're gonna pop it up in the ceiling. You got 4 little wings that pop out and secure speakers to the ceiling. Then once all 4 are nice and snug, you're gonna rotate that woofer and tweeter towards your target seating area. Maximize performance. And you got your grill, which this is a magnetic grill, so it just clings right on. Like that. And that is a nice professional job by Grayson. And if you look in the rear of the room, all of those went in perfect. And we got our projector, 4010, which is very cleanly mounted right in the center of the room. We're set up for the projector screen next.